Welcome to another video lesson on finding the equation of a line given 2 points. This lesson is going to be a little different in this, that we're going to have a decimal to deal with in one of the points, and I'm going to use the point slope formula to then finally get the slope intercept form of the line. So the process is all exactly the same. We still are going to find the slope, and that slope, remember, is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. And in this case, our y sub 2 is negative 28.6 minus y sub 1, which is negative 19. Then we subtract the x values. That's negative 5 minus a negative 3. Now, you may note that this subtracting a negative ends up being adding a positive in both of those cases. And so our negative 28.6 plus 19, the signs are different, so we'll subtract those two. So that's going to be a negative 9.6. And negative 5 plus 3 is negative 2. So negative 9.6 over negative 2 is a positive 4.8. So that's our slope. We've got our slope. Now the point slope formula looks like this. You take y minus one of the y values, we'll take the first one, is equal to the slope times x minus the corresponding x coordinate in that point. So I'm going to use the negative 3 and negative 19, which is preferred, right? We don't have to deal with decimal there. So we get y minus, now the y value there is negative 19. So a negative 19, if you subtract a negative 19, that'll give you a plus 19. The slope is 4.8, x minus, and the x coordinate there is a negative 3. So again, a negative 3 will make that a plus a positive 3. So now, this is the equation of a line. However, we're going to distribute the 4.8 so we can write it in slope intercept form. So if you distribute 4.8, we get 4.8x, that's fine. And then 4.8 times 3 is 14.4, right? 3 times 4.8, 8 times 3 is 24, carry the 2, that's 12, and 2 is 14, one decimal point. And so that's y plus 19 is equal to 4.8x plus 14.4. And so we get y is equal to 4.8x, and 19 minus 4.4 is a negative, right? More negative than positive. That should be a negative 4.6. That is our final answer. I hope you found this video helpful.